Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we have this very rare Axe aftershave. So yeah, I didn't see this a lot in stores. So I just bought it so that I could do an unboxing and like a quick review about it. Yeah, so it is 100 millimeters, and yeah, so in the back we have the ingredients and just the Axe details, if you want to call them. Obviously, we do have the brand, I think the partner brand. Yeah, so as you guys can see, yeah, so the scent is Africa. I think it's a scent. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so really cool bottle, as you guys can see. Yeah, as you guys can see, it says Aftershave Africa. Yeah, it's really cool. In the back we have a bunch of details, same on the back of the box, and obviously 100 millimeters. Yeah. And obviously, let's open this up. It's kind of different, so just pour it on your hand, and then you just go ahead and, yeah, really nice smell. Yeah, so that wraps it up for this video. Please be sure to smash the subscribe button, and like this video, and yeah, until next time, peace out.